Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Hope everybody had a good weekend. It is a short week this week with Thursday. The markets closed because of the Thanksgiving holiday. As far as markets are concerned, overnight beans are up about 10 cents. You've got corn and wheat up about a penny. Outside markets, $1 lower. Crude's higher. There is some rumors floating around that Iraq and Iran may come to some kind of agreement on some production controls, and that may be offering some bottom to the crude oil market and maybe helping all energy markets. We also saw that the Asian soybean meal, and palm oil futures were all higher. That's also offering some support to the marketplace. Fundamentally, the bears are still feeling that soybean prices are too high because of the favorable South American weather, and that U.S. stocks and world stocks are higher than they were a year ago, except futures are higher than they were a year ago. So something has to give at some point in time. As far as the other news, we expect exports this week to be about 70 million bushels in the beans, maybe 40, 45 in the corn, and 20 in the wheat. Weather-wise, South American weather is good with rains in Brazil and Argentina where they need it, and some drying patterns where it's been a little too wet. As far as here in the United States, the 2-week outlook calls for normal to above temps, but we are going to see some normal rains this week across the Midwest, which help recharge soils. So it was kind of cold over the weekend, kind of remind us that winter's around the corner, and then we'll have to watch the long-term weather forecast. But for the most part, you know, the 3-month forecast by the National Weather Service called for the northern third of the U.S. to be cold and wet, and the southern third of the U.S. to be warm and dry. Funds yesterday on Friday bought beans, oil, corn, and wheat, and sold some meal. And we'll see if we can push very much above the $10 level in the beans. Corn's holding at around this 354 area in the March, and wheat at 426 also in the March. So again, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.